How to add overlay in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add an overlay on CapCut. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, simply import any files and everything that you want on your media section. After that, just import one video or anything that you want on the timeline first. Then comes the overlay. So add whatever you want here. And after that, simply drag this and drop it right above the video. And this is basically your overlay. So now whenever you reach here on the video, you will see the overlay right here. You can crop this as much as you want, like this. Add it where you want. And you can also reduce this size of the length of the video and stuff like that. And after that, you can export it. And it's that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.